Hello friends, myself Savita Patil, Assistant Professor, Government Degree College, Kamalapur. Welcome to the today's session. In my today's class, we shall see the introduction of the branch accounts. All of you know that is, if a businessman wants to increase the sales, there is a need to what? That is to increase the sales. Okay. So if he wants to increase the sales, what he has to do? He has to try to sell all his products in all the different places. For that, what he will do? He will open a different types of the branches in different places. When he will open different branches, then the accounting procedure, that is what are the various types of the branches, how they are maintained, what are the types of different types of the branches, what is the accounting procedure, everything that we shall see in the branch accounts. This is what the brief introduction of the branch accounts. Now let us see what the in detail about the branch accounts. Contents of the today's session: introduction, meaning, types of branches, dependent branch, accounting procedure of dependent branch, preparation of branch account journal entries. These are the various things that we shall discuss in my today's class. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ನಾವು ಇಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನು ಅವನ್ ತನ್ನ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ದ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್. ಆ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ, ವಿಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಅ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್, ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್. ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೆ then he has to maintain the accounts for the each and every department separately. That is, what is the branches, what are the types of the branches, what are the accounting procedure, and on that we shall discuss in my today's class. Let us see introduction. In order to increase the sales over a vast area, a business is generally split into branches or departments. In case the various divisions of the business are located under the same roof, they are known as departments. If the various divisions of the business are located in different places, either in the same town or in different towns, they are known as branches. Dear students, we have discussed already, that is what are the departments. Now we shall see what are the branches. That is, the various divisions of the business are located under the same roof, they are known as a department. Already we have understood. Like that only, the various divisions of the business, single business is there, but that business branches are located in the different places. Okay, in the same place or the different towns, that they are known as the branches. This is what the brief introduction of the branches. Now let us see the meaning. Branches are the different divisions opened in different places of the same town or in different towns or even outside the country, opened by a big business organization to increase the sales. Each division operating in different places is called the branch, and the main office which is controlling these branches is called the head office. Yes, students, now let us understand what is the meaning of branches. Branches are the different divisions. They are the different divisions opened in different places of the same town or in different towns or even outside the country, opened by a big business organization to increase the sales. Means here you can understand that branches means the different divisions which are opened in the different places or the same town. For what purpose the branches are opened, means to increase the sales. Okay, each division operating in different places is called branch. Means what? For example, in Gulbarga will be the main head office is there, and it different types of the branches are nearby the places. They are called the branches, and the head office, the main branch which is situated in Gulbarga, that is called as the head office. This is what the meaning of the branch. Now, let us see what are the types of the branches. The following are the different types of branches: dependent branch and the independent branch. Okay, here the types of branches we are seeing, that is the home branch, foreign branch, dependent branch and the independent branch. These are the different types of the branches. Now, let us see what is the dependent branch. A dependent branch means a branch which does not maintain its own set of books. It is entirely depending upon the head office for all its requirements. It will receive goods from head office only. All the expenses of branch are paid and the books of accounts are re-maintained by the head office. Means what here the name itself indicate dependent branch. Means this branch is entirely depend on the head office for everything. That is the maintenance of the accounts. So whatever may be the things, it don't have any rights. It has to depend on the head office. Whatever may be the instructions given by the head office, according to that, the branch has to maintain the books of accounts. Okay. The debtors ledger is maintained to find out the money due from debtors when the branch is allowed to sell the goods on credit. If the branch is allowed to sell the goods on credit, then the debtors ledger account will be maintained. The stock ledger is maintained to know the information about the movement of goods from the head office and the balance to stock in hand. The special feature of a dependent branch is that it will remit or deposit sale proceeds to the head office daily. Means what here? The branch which is selling the goods and services, whatever with the total goods it has sold, it has to remit the daily whatever the sales proceeds it has to submit to the branch day-to-day transactions. Dependent branches are further divided into following categories for accounting purpose. Now let us see what are the various, again how it is divided into further. Let us see. That is, first one, goods are supplied by the head office at cost price and the branch sell the goods only for cash. This is the one of the important, means what here, the supplied by the head office at cost and it sells the goods only for the cash. This is number one. This number two will be the goods are supplied by the head office at cost price and the branch sells the goods both for cash and credit. First will be the what? It will sell for the cash and second will be the both cash and the credit. This is second one. Third one will be the goods are supplied by head office at invoice price and the branch sell the goods both cash and credit. This is what the third most important, where the head office will send the goods at invoice price and the branch will sell the goods both cash and the credit. These are the three important systems. So we have to solve the problems under different circumstances. How they are differ from each other, let us see. Accounting procedure of dependent branch. In case of a dependent branch, the head office may keep the accounts of the branch according to any of the following system. That is the preparation of the branch account, preparation of the necessary ledger accounts under stock and debtor system, preparation of the branch trading and profit and loss account. Means what here in the three methods are that. That is the first one will be the we have to prepare the branch account. Then next will be the preparation of ledger accounts under stock and data system. Then the next will be the preparation of the branch T and P&L account. These are the important, the different types. That is how the branch accounts are meant. Now, preparation of the preparation of branch account. Let us see one by one. The system is followed in case of small branches. This is the preparation of branch account where if the branch is very small, then we can opt for this. The head office maintains branch account in its book. The branch account is one of the nature of a nominal account. Already we know that is nominal accounts contains the expenses and the incomes. The following accounting entries are passed in the books of head office for recording the different transactions. Now let us see what are the various journal entries are passed. Okay, our branch account wholly depends on these journal entries. If you understood these journal entries, we can prepare the branch account very easily. Now, the following accounting entries are passed in the books of head office for recording different transactions. The first one is for recording opening stock, opening debtors and the opening petty cash. Branch account debtor to branch stock, branch debtors account, branch petty cash. Then the for goods sent to branch account to goods sent to branch account. For cash sent to branch for expenses, branch account debtor to cash or bank account. Then the for cash sent to branch for petty cash, branch account data to cash account. For cash received from branch, cash account data to branch account. For adjustment loading in the opening stock, stock reserve account data to branch account. adjustment of loading in goods and to branch account to branch account. This is what the various transactions. That is how nominal we are going to prepare the journal. We will understand the journal entries. That we had the personal account, real account, nominal account. We know the rules. According to that, these entries should be passed. Now, then for adjustment of loading in goods written by branch account data to goods sent to branch account. For adjustment of loading on closing stock, branch account data to stock reserve. For creating provisions for bad and doubtful debts, branch account data to provision for bad and doubtful debts account. For recording closing stock, closing debtors and closing petty cash, branch stock account data, branch debtors account data, branch petty cash account data to branch account. In this way, we have to pass the various journal entries. These are the references of books which I have used. My dear students, in my today's class, we have seen the brief introduction of the branch account. What are the types of the branches and what are the various journal entries to be passed, that we have discussed in my today's class. How the branch account will be prepared and under the stock and data system, that we shall see in my next video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Stay home, stay safe. Have a good day. Thank you.